So this SkillBout, right, started to 2020, but the idea was from the past. It's not about the 2020. The idea was way before, from 3 years back. Like always wanted to start it by own. I always wanted to do something. I still remember the first batch when we have taken it, and it was so learning for me, and I was like totally active. That 1 hour session or 1.5 session, totally active. It gave me a spark to learn something, and when I took the next batch the same way, the same concept I told it in a different order. So this was like maza aane laga ek rakam se. Then finally the time came, we met a common people. I met you all, a couple of people, right? So all the like-minded people, traveling all over India and collecting all the like-minded people and matching their vibes and sharing my thoughts to them, and they are matching their thoughts and they are coming up with us and we are talking together. And it's not that 100 people will come to you, and in that 100 people, the 5 will be onto you. Right, so maybe 10 will on to you, and after that all the struggles they will be there. Even the struggles, there will be 5, and they will be at the end. There will be like a the small circle that matters really lot. And today, we have anything you start with, there will be a hurdles, right? So simple, if there is no hurdle, then everyone could have started this, right? So we faced it, and we in near future there will be many hurdles will be coming onto it, and we are ready to face it. And today, it's a moment where I'm standing here is the new office which we are going to start at, right? So this is the one of the thing. That is what the small steps. It's a small path walk which we are going on to it. So I'm really happy to be in and around with the like-minded people. Right now I have people like Aki, Arshad, all of the things. They come with that energy and we match the vibes. So that is all we have. And coming on to here. Entire all over India, we have, I don't know how many people I have met a day today, like 50,000 plus, 60,000, 1 lakh plus, I don't know. So I'm not part of any MNC company, I'm not part of anything, but still I'm doing the programming thing and I'm reaching them, I'm convincing them in the programming and making their, bright future. So that is what makes me happy to grow it more and more. And maybe, this is what my thought is, in going future, in every district, this need to be settled. So this technical knowledge will be like a future, and every individual, every student, kid should know how to do the programming. So that is what the aim the SkillBout is working on, and maybe inshallah, in near future, in every district of entire India, there will be a SkillBout. So that is what the aim is.
Sure. Congratulations, buddy. Wow.